Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by enabling the microphone and launching voice typing. This gets you immediately into dictation. Open Settings, go to Privacy, toggle microphone on for apps you'll use. Once done, position a headset or use the built-in mic in a quiet room to reduce background noise. Press Windows key plus H to open the voice typing bar. You'll see the status and language. Speak a short test sentence to confirm the mic is active and the system detects your voice. Now configure language and punctuation to match your workflow so recognition is accurate. Open the voice typing settings from the bar and select language, enable auto-punctuation, and turn on suggested text if you want quick corrections. When you dictate, speak naturally in short phrases and say punctuation like period or comma if auto-punctuation is off. That improves precision. Use brief pauses to insert formatting breaks or to let the system catch up. Make sure to watch the text appear and correct any errors with keyboard or voice commands. To finish, proofread the dictated text, make edits by typing or issuing voice commands, and save your document. If recognition stalls, stop voice typing, restart the microphone, then reopen the tool. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, run the Windows troubleshooter for speech or update the audio driver in Device Manager to ensure compatibility. One reliable tip: test with another app or online recorder to isolate whether the issue is the mic or Windows settings, and then apply the appropriate fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.